Tamtam.
Hey friends, welcome again for some more words with I and EE, means રસવઈ and દીર્ઘઈ. મિત્રો, આજે આપણે રસવઈ અને દીર્ઘઈથી બનતા થોડા વધુ શબ્દો શીખીશું. ચકલી means sparrow. ચમચી means spoon. જલદી means quick. દરજી means tailor. બકરી means goat. મરઘી means hen. માહિતી means information. ગરીબ means poor. જમીન means ground. દલીલ means argument. નસીબ means luck. વકીલ means lawyer. વડીલ means elder. પરીક્ષા means exam. કાકડી means cucumber. ચામડી means skin. ડાબલી means box. પાટલી means rolling pad. લાકડી means stick. ટપાલી means postman. મકાઈ means corn. મલાઈ means cream. લડાઈ means war. સવારી means ride. વહાલી means deer. માછલી means fish. બિલાડી means cat. દીવાલ means wall. વિકાસ means progress. વિચાર means idea. વિદાય means farewell. વિજ્ઞાન means science. શિકાર means hunt. શિયાળ means fox. ખીચડી means hodgepodge. Tick D means tablet. Dikari means daughter. Bimari means sickness. Silai means stitch. Karigar means worker. Ghadiyal means clock. Nahitar means otherwise. Takalif means problem. Parivar means family. Pichakari means water gun. Adivasi means tribal person. Shakahari means vegetarian. Hariyali means greenery. Hakikat means reality. Nagarika means citizen. Farajiyat means compulsory. Jawabdari means responsibility. Hanikaraka means harmful.
If you love our video, please press like, share and subscribe to our channel Tamtam.